Hello, good morning. This is Cyril. I'm going to uh, talk about the welfare issues associated with horse slaughter. Horse slaughter is horse slaughter for human consumption of meat is done in several countries around the world. Uh, North America, South America, and horse meat is eaten in Japan, Italy, France, Mongolia, Russia. So, even though it's a topic which is not in the limelight, horse meat is eaten by a huge population in the world, and it deserves uh, it deserves its place. So my interest is on the animal welfare aspects of horse slaughter and somewhat about the ethics of eating horse meat. So I'm a PhD in animal welfare, and my research topic was on assessing the welfare of horses transported for slaughter in North America. I have also looked at some aspects of horse slaughter in Iceland, which was very interesting, very different from the North American perspective. I have traveled around the world looking at horses. I'm a passionate horse enthusiast and horse lover, and I ride horses. I have always ridden horses from my young age. So, this is a topic which is very close to my heart and I have studied extensively upon. So, first, let's look at the issue of eating horse meat and its connection to the welfare of animals, welfare in particular here, the welfare of horses. One thing which strikes me is like when we are talking looking keeping horses aside, when we look at animals which we keep as pets, dogs and cats, are they in better welfare condition than farm animals? Of course, we see there's a big spectrum there too. Some percentage of dogs and cats are kept in a well taken care condition, or they are in good animal welfare condition. However, there are millions and millions of dogs and cats which are stray on the streets, and also in developed countries in many shelters around the many shelters. Mostly they have to be euthanized or neglected. Horses are in a unique stage here. They are in a unique spectrum because some consider them as pets and some consider them as livestock. People who consider horses as pets will have difficulty in accepting them as food and eating horse meat. Whereas when the people who are looking at horses as a farm animal, a typical example here would be Iceland, and they will not have a problem in horse slaughter or eating horse meat. So it's a I think the whole problem comes to an issue of perspective. When people consider, when people have a perspective of horse being a pet, they'll have difficulty in accepting eating horse meat. Whereas when people consider horses as a livestock, then they don't have a problem eating horse meat.